We're grown up. Come down here, Jamie, and let's make strawberry and cream cheese stuffed French toast. So, Jamie, let's make a really simple syrup to go over some French toast this morning. We're gonna use about 1 pound of fresh strawberries. And we're gonna take a cup of sugar. I'm gonna need for you to zest and juice that lemon.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna quarter up these strawberries. And we're gonna boil them down, make a really simple syrup. And it's a little something different, you know, rather than pancake syrup or, you know, maple syrup. Or, we use a lot of cane down in the South. But this is something a little different, nice fresh fruit.
That sounds awesome.
It does sound awesome.
This lemon smells so good, y'all. One of my favorite ways to get good flavor in a recipe is to use the zest of a lemon or an orange. It's really awesome, too.
This is reminding me of when we were kids, Jamie. We used to do all kinds of French toast and pancakes and stuff for breakfast, and a big old jug of sweet tea. You remember that?
I do.
We always had a gallon in the fridge, and we always had a gallon sitting on the table at every meal. It didn't matter what the meal was.
I got my first cavity at 3.
Yeah. Does Jack like strawberries?
Loves berries. Berries are his favorite thing.
All right, I think this is just about enough. We're gonna simmer this for about 15 minutes. You know what I love about French toast is you can do anything really that you want to with it. And what we're gonna do this morning is we are going to, first of all, you're gonna go to work. So Jamie, I need for you to start slicing those strawberries, please. We got an 8-ounce package of cream cheese here. It's like at room temperature. We're gonna spread it on
Cream cheese sandwich.
Cream cheese and strawberry sandwiches.
Ooh.
So you could do anything you want. So go ahead and get started with that, Jamie. And I am going to get us an egg wash here for the French toast. I'm gonna use a 1/2 cup of milk. I've got 2 eggs and a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. So Jamie, don't you have a nice story about you and Brooke and French toast?
Well, for Brooke's first Mother's Day, I wanted to do a special breakfast for it. What I did was take peanut butter and honey and bananas and mash them all up.
Ooh.
And I put it all inside of a piece of bread.
Yeah.
And then I put it down in my egg wash, and then I rolled it in granola so the edges were sealed with fresh, crunchy granola, and that's what I made for her first Mother's Day breakfast. But it was so good, and she enjoyed it so much.
Really?
Which is kind of like this. This is a stuffed French toast, too. And the cream cheese, when it gets hot and gets so gooey.
And this is gonna yield about 6 sandwiches, so I'll be lucky if I get one.
I know, you're pretty strong.
You're right, I think I can muscle it away from you.
You want this pack full of strawberries?
Yes, I do. All right, egg wash is ready. Got this block of butter here. I'm gonna use about this much and put it in our skillet to keep our French toast from sticking.
Yeah, heaven forbid we make something without butter.
If Mama doesn't taste a certain amount of butter in there, we're gonna be in trouble. And then we're gonna run these French toast, well, sandwiches, I guess is what they are, through our egg wash.
There you go.
And right on the skillet.
Teamwork, brother.
Team.
There's no I in team.
Yeah.
Oh, those look so good.
They do look good.
Yes, sir. Probably your syrup that we put together looks so good.
Yeah, I'm about to pour that up.
It looks like preserves.
It does.
That's another thing Mama did for us when we were kids. We had a fig tree in the yard. And you remember the fig preserves that Mama made?
I do.
She'd do strawberry fig, and then she'd do regular fig, and on white bread with some mayonnaise, and that sweet syrup coming out of those figs on that toast was so good.
I think she's gonna like this. Jamie, do you smell that coming from the oven?
Mm-hmm. I'm telling you, this is a breakfast fit for a queen.
I think it's about time for the flip.
Let me say, go. Mm-hmm.
Jamie, you remember the cooking competition that we did, don't you? Do you remember how good my salmon was, Jamie, and how bad whatever it was that you made? Yours was so bad, I don't even remember what you made.
What are you talking about?
The cooking competition.
We're having a Deen family cook-off. Jamie's gonna make a dish, Bobby's gonna make a dish, and moi is gonna make a dish.
Let me refresh your memory.
No.
I did a chili. Mom did short ribs, and you did...
Salmon.
Surprise!
And who was the judge?
Well, see, that's kind of where it went sideways because Groover was there.
Okay, it's already sideways.
And my wife was there.
And baby, I'm not trying to hurt your feelings. I think I might like the salmon. I think I might.
Salmon?
And I won the contest.
I rest my case.
I wish you'd rest your lips.
Little brothers, y'all. Little brothers.
French toast.
Let's perfect measurement, Bobby. Look, I got 6 of them all done. But,
Oh, good.
So since we got
and good timing too, because these are just about done.
Since we got extra, let's try one. Oh, that's perfect.
What do you think? That's right.
Oh my gosh. So
Why don't you cut one of those open, Jamie, and let's get a look at it.
Oh, we're gonna cut one open. How about some syrup?
Wait, buddy. Those eggs are
Those
real.
are beautiful.
That does look great. And look at that little bit of powdered sugar. Just that really fancies it up, doesn't it?
How about a little bit of that syrup, bro?
Yeah, man. Relax. It's coming. I realize you're starving. Whoa, whoa, brother. Oh, yes, sir. What do you think about that?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, man. All right.
You got more stuff to cook. You better hurry.
Move out of the way.
This is delicious, y'all.
It's good?
Bobby, you want to taste?
I certainly do. Yeah.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.